Corey, when you come out, can you tell me what that finish line landing looks like too?
Looks like it's getting a little flat on top, and it has some holes where they're landing kind of in the middle.
Is it horrible, or could it go through 2 LCQs?
It makes 2 LCQs. It's just the very top. Where you're supposed to land looks pretty fine.
Alright, copy.
Get ready for a ride, and we'll ride through the midnight. Don't you step across that line, unless you wanna face the trouble on the other side.
Alright, Dean, I got a shit ton of concrete up here in front of the gate, so I'm gonna need a minute.
Alright guys, track walk coming down now. Oh, you probably still got 4 minutes, I bet.
Just someone let me know when track walk's on my ass.
Yeah, 10-4, I will.
I'm just flipping up, Harley, and then tracking, and then hopefully by the time I get this done, you'll be ready to backdrag, Corey. Yeah, we're pretty good in this first turn lane. I'm just going to go over to the 3-footers and the triple. How much time do we have until we need to get off?
Under 5 minutes, under 5.
3 minutes.
It's 3 minutes?
We're dropping the gate here in 3.5.
Yeah, 5:10, right? 5:10?
Yeah, but I know how you work, Uncle Pete.
I know. We got it.
Holy shit, they ain't gonna be done with their track walking time.